Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to add text replacement on iPhone. For that you need to open your settings and scroll down to reach the general option. Choose general and scroll down. Here you can see the keyboard option. Choose the keyboard and tap on the text replacement. Here you can add the text replacement. Example, the OMW stands for On My Way. Tap on the plus icon. The phrase is "Oh my god" and the shortcut is OMG. Tap on the save option. Now your text replacement is added into your keyboard. If you want to type "Oh my god", you can put the OMG option on your keyboard. The "Oh my god" option is automatically appears. By doing this, you can customize the texts for your keyboard. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.